Asante kwaya. Asante.
Agnes Tirop is one case among many others. We only know about Agnes because she is a heroine, and all of us know about her. About the other so many women who are killed in their households. So today, that conversation has to be mainstream.
My name is Viola Lagat, and it's such a sad day for all of us, the athletes fraternity, and especially me. Agnes was a friend to me. Agnes was someone that I looked up to.
There's a lot of cases. You can just go outside there, you can just say, oh, somebody and somebody is facing these challenges, somebody and somebody. So I think this is the beginning, and I want to end this thing as soon as possible.
Speak up. Not only us athletes speaking up and say we need to protect our own athletes, but everybody should come up and talk about gender-based violence.